We have a big moment today. Today we will have either big risk or big opportunity. Hi, welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset. If you want to get one step closer to your financial freedom, if you want to make more money from trading market. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and join my free webinar next Thursday. Okay, so let's start with the Nasdaq. So I will cover Nasdaq, S&P, and our favorite stock Tesla and AMD and Google today. Okay, so let's start with Nasdaq. So I have mentioned we have resistance here, which is around 14032, and it basically did not touch, it come down, and we have hit basically today our time interval. So we will have a critical moment, either we speed up to go up or we go down. I told you we have 80%, basically we will have go down. Okay, so now we did go down, but we not yet close this week candle, so we still have 1 day to observe. So we still have 20%, they come down and go up. I want to explain you what's going on right now. So basically we have a gap basically on last Friday. Okay, we get up, and then we have a gap here. So basically yesterday the candle was inside this purple zone, which is the gap. So as long as we stand above 13343, we are safe. Otherwise, we will have a adjustment, like a correction here. Okay, so we will come down because we have double peak and we have reached the time about we will have a adjustment. I have mentioned a few days ago basically to mention this week is one of our critical point, and now you come down here, but are we still safe? I would update you. So you can see the RSI here. So if you use my RSI strategy, basically you would sell some of your stock at this candle, which is quite high still, right? But this is very short-term operation. Okay, this is for short-term investor because this is on the daily chart. Okay, so I want to give you some warning about what's going on. If they drop below, where is the next support? The next support, if they drop below this purple bar, basically the next support is 12705. 12705. Where do I get this number from? It's from this gap, which is like last year, August 22nd. Okay, so basically we use this gap, the up, this one, the gap, this one here is the candle here, 22nd of August. So basically the next support is 12705, which is quite a big pull down. Okay, so let's see how it goes, and I want to show you if they go down, how would they go down. If they go down, you have to understand there is a pattern like this, right? So even we have a double top here, we can still form something like this. If they form a lower low, which is lower than this low, lower than 13334, so around this number basically also. So basically we will form this kind of pattern, which is like a descending channel. Okay, so you should be aware if they drop below this level, be careful. The next level would be, the next support is 12705. Okay, so I want to show you also the S&P 500. Okay, so it's very similar. We have a gap. We are inside the gap right now and not yet break through this the upper point, which is 4398. So we're still inside the gap. We are still safe. But look at the RSI here. Basically, we have a divergence. Divergence means the price go up, but the momentum come down. You can see here and here. Basically, it form a divergence. So it could form pull back. Okay, so you need to be careful about that. So let's see where's the gap stop. Okay, so this is the update for the big market, and I want to show you also, this is okay. So now let's look at Tesla. Tesla, we are still in the red zone, which is strong, but we will have a pull down, but we still have a good side to show the area, the red area still above 50. So we are still strong moment, okay? So the gap has not come all the way. So it's stronger than S&P, you can see, because the gap is here, right? The gap is here, but the whole bar, only the wick is touching the gap, but the whole body is still above the gap. So we are still strong for Tesla. Okay, so now you can check also this one. So this is our Nasdaq. So I will told you the RSI show quite a critical moment. But if you look at this zone, we are still in the red zone, and it could, if they stand strong above the support zone I have mentioned in the last minute. So basically, we will have a very good opportunity to buy. Okay, so we will just watch today what's going on. We will stay above the level, or we will stay below the level. So today will be one of the critical points to decide what's going on. So the next one I want to check with you is AMD. AMD, you can see this is one of our I have mentioned in one of my video how to trade with these Bollinger Bands. Okay, so you can see first AMD already dropped below this middle line. So this candle basically is one of our absolutely good candle to sell. You can see now they turn down, so it means the trend is going down. So I want to check with you also the next one, AMD also. So with my strategy, this is our secret weapon basically. It would tell you is a good one to keep or to sell. So first thing, you can see this line, the slope is getting fat. Okay, so basically from upward to getting fat. So basically, you can see also this candle come down here. So basically, this AMD is quite weak. You can see also the capital kind of like going out from this stock. The next one I want to check with you is Google. Many people has bought Google. So the best selling price is here. If we only look at this strategy, okay? This selling price is at this candle. And now you can see the whole slope, the middle line is going downward. Basically, now it forms a downward trend. You can see also we have a lower high and lower low. So basically the downward trend has formed. So I would use different strategy. I would like to teach you this, like how to use different strategy to avoid those stock, like the going downward stock. So when to sell it. So with this is my course. So basically you will sell here and you can see they go downward. And this is a long trend for long-term investors. So you can see here the capital is also going down. The RSI also going down. So which look quite it's not so good on this stock. You can see the RSI is going downward. So basically it's quite confirmed unless the capital come back up. Okay, unless some indicator tell us, hey, now is a good moment to buy. Okay, so we can use this strategy also. Google, with this is one of our strategy. You can see now we are in the green zone. Green zone means weak. Okay, so they try to battle to come up, but they fail. Okay, so it's still quite look ugly. This is AMD. AMD is the same, okay? So basically still the green zone, and it also has a gap. What I want to mention you, when the gap, so for example, this gap is here. Okay, so basically you have the whole candle come down to the gap, although they did not really go below this gap, but this means this is weak trend. Okay, if it's strong, they will go above, they will stay above and they bounce up, but now it come all the way down. So you can see also Google. Do we have a gap on Google? Google gap is here basically. You can see you can see this area. Okay, so we still stay above the gap, so which is a good sign for Google. It's stronger than AMD. So now look at Tesla. So Tesla is quite interesting. We have a gap here, which is like a free trading days ago, and we have one gap here. You can see that it's still healthy, it's still going up. And basically, if you check Tesla, we have many gaps, all the way. We have many gaps. So you mean we are so strong. So we are quite strong. I want to show you this one also. You see? So we have many supports here. Okay. So we just need to look today what's going on. Are they going to come down? If they come down, you can sell your stock. If not, you will see if they bounce all the way back or what. Because in long trend, it's still going up. Okay, it still look good. And we still have a lot of capital here. So which is quite healthy. So let's look how the market goes today and join my free webinar, which is next Thursday. I put the link below. And I see you in the next video. Okay, like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And let me know what kind of stock you would like me to cover in the video. Okay, see you next time. Bye.